up everyone, Mandy here from On The Grow, and today I'm going to be showing you how we like to grow red garnet amaranth. So what you're going to need is obviously your seeds first. We like to source ours from True Leaf Market, but there's plenty of other companies out there that you could look at. Next, you're going to need your tray. For us, we're going to be using this deep mesh tray, I think you can see that, and we're going to be using Biostrate growing medium. So what we've already done is I went through and lightly misted the growing medium so that way our seed sticks to it and doesn't bounce everywhere whenever I go to seed it. Now, let's weigh out our seed. What you're gonna need is a scale, some kind of measuring cup, and if you don't have a scale, a tablespoon will work just perfectly for that. So let's turn this on. Whoop. Seeds are so tiny. Okay, so it looks like we're 0.5 under what we need to be at. So let's just do a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start seeding, which there are plenty of different ways that you could do it, as you might have seen in my carrot video.